Hi everyone, this is the virtual presentation for 21st Century Skills and Critical Thinking. First, let's start with a definition of what are 21st century skills. The definition you see here is one according to edglossary.org and talks about how 21st century skills are not just knowledge base, but also skills, work habits, and character traits that are believed broadly by educators, school reformers, college professors, and the employment industry that are critically important to success in today's world, particularly in collegiate programs and contemporary careers and the workplace. 21st century skills include, but aren't necessarily limited to, critical thinking, the ability to communicate and collaborate, creativity and innovation, self-regulation and metacognition, social and cultural competence, flexibility and adaptability, and also informational and technological literacy. What role can technology play in critical thinking? Although technological literacy is itself a 21st century skill, it can also be incorporated into our normal tested content areas through a theory called computational thinking. Computational thinking involves breaking down complex problems into more manageable subparticles, using that information, creating a sequence of steps to solve that problem, reviewing how the solution transfers to similar problems, and then finally being able to determine if or how using a computer or other technological device can help you to be more efficient in solving these problems. Here are a few ideas of how to incorporate 21st century skills and technology in the classroom. Having students collaborate and work together on creating a student blog or a student-run web page for your class. Group projects such as problem-based or project-based learning. STEAM challenges or maker spaces. Using an application or program to demonstrate how students solve math problems, for example, Show Me or a screencast, or a simple video or audio recording of their work. Also using Skype or Google Chat for distance learning, and also to get in contact with authors, scientists, other real-world applications and things that students would want to discuss or would make things more relevant in the classroom. As we've been finding and discussing, incorporating 21st century skills has been the push with the up-and-coming introduction of Common Core standards and next-gen science standards. So finding ways to do this in the classroom and also to marry that with the use of technology is going to be something that we're going to see a lot more of in the future. If you would like more information on this topic, feel free to check out the resources that I used here. I'll also be attaching the link to the YouTube video so that you can watch that and get information from that as well. Thanks. Hope you had enjoyed the presentation and have a great day.